Hello, my name is Conrad. Welcome to the channel. If you're like every person in the universe, you know how difficult it is to remove the seal from a jar of peanut butter. It's impossible. Allow me to demonstrate. I can't do it. But I'm here to tell you that I've discovered an alternative method which you too can master. First, you need to make sure that you locate the label on the front, and you want to hold the jar by the label. You don't want to be holding it over this part where the nutrients are. Then you grasp the jar firmly in your hand like this, just in one hand, and then you open it. You see the seal is clearly broken. You can just peel the rest right off.